Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to insert an image into another image using Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and insert your main image by going to the Insert tab and clicking Pictures. Choose this device to upload an image from your computer. Once your first image is inserted, click on it and go to the Picture Format tab. From there, choose Wrap Text, then select Behind Text or In Front of Text to freely move it around. Now go back to the Insert tab again and click Pictures to insert your second image. After it appears, adjust its size and position by dragging the corners and moving it over the first image where you want it to appear. You can also right-click the image, choose Format Picture, and use Transparency or Corrections to blend it more naturally. Once everything looks good, click anywhere outside the image to finish. And that's it! You've successfully inserted one image into another image using Microsoft Word 2026. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.